Hello everyone, welcome to arcademoica vlog number 7 of the Doctor Who Pinball Restoration. Yep. Okay, today we are battling against a big cabinet of pinball machine. And first thing I noticed yesterday when I flipped on the side of the cab was this long range of staples. What happened here? Was it some kind of lead strip applied by a previous owner? I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna remove those and sand it just to clean it, especially to clean the side. I know this is overkill. I know. Who takes care of overhauling the bottom of the cabinet? Me. Okay, so just before that, I'm gonna do something that's pretty tedious. It's not a fun part because you have to be extremely gentle with side rails removal. They are applied with double-sided adhesive and you have to heat it up in order to pry it, and you have to be gentle because you don't want to make a ding, or you want it to lift very easily. But the thing is, if you wait too much, it's gonna apply down and get glued back. So it's something you have to do in one shot. It's about not joking, it's between a half an hour and a 40 minutes job for each rail. So let's get it on. Got me thinking, because I just said that it took me about 30 minutes to 40 minutes when I did the removal of the side rails from the getaway, and this one just took me 8 minutes. What happened? What did I did so wrong on the first place? That went pretty fast, and I'm the first one to be very happy about it. And the side rails is in great shape indeed. So I'm not gonna remove the other side yet. I'm gonna actually remove the little plastic trim here, and it will be replaced by a new one. There's actually not really any need to do so, but I have new ones, so why not? So, and once this is done, it will be the removal of the old stickers. Let the product react with the stickers for about 15 to 20 minutes, and it just peeled off like a banana peel. That was so easy to do, and that's awesome to see how much the red Sharpie that was applied by a previous owner just transferred to the wood. It looks awesome, I guess. I think it's look cool. Well, about that, what do you think? Having pinball with wood finish and just the subtle title. Wow. Okay, that's cool. So anyway, I'm not gonna keep that anyway. I will be doing some other type of cleaning because I have to get rid of all the glue, and that's tedious and annoying. But I have the best product in the world called Goo Buster. This is a product from my province of Quebec, Canada. So don't try finding this in the USA or anywhere else. And that thing is so powerful that, I mean, it's like 10 times more intense than the regular glue gun. It's just plain amazing, and it's quite expensive bottle. It's about 15 bucks for a very 475 milliliter, but it all worth it. It saves so much time. How'd you like it? I sure like it. It even removed the Doctor Who print. So it's a goo-less cabinet that we got in front of our eyes right now. Trying not to stumble on my little Taurin Big Red. I'm gonna do some kind of fast sanding, and I won't be doing the little Bondo job yet because I don't have any more. I'll go grab some later, but I will do the other side while I'm at it, while my products are there and I'm all warm up about it. And I want to present you our new little friend Smudgy. Hey, take a look at Smudgy. It's a little goo brain. Oh, I think I love goo brain more than Smudgy. Shall we call him goo brain? Part of me wants to keep it and put some googly eyes on it. Okay, I have some googly eyes somewhere. Where did I put my googly eyes? Our googly eyes when we need them the most. Yeah, they're here, my googly eyes. Okay, so that's not too big. That seems quite right. So here's Goo Brain, and he's about to grow, double in size pretty soon. Keep watching. Both sides are now stripped of vinyl decals and glue. They're both ready to be sanded. And most of all, we have embiggen Goo Brain. Goo Brain is getting bigger. Isn't he classy? So yeah, I got a new co-worker. We make a nice pair him. Okay, so I'm gonna sand it. Oh, ho ho ho! I still have to do the front. Yeah, let's rise up, lovely beast. Oh, some goo got stuck underneath. Anyway, don't really matter. Everything's gonna be sanded soon, so yep, let's do that. That's a lot of prep work. Now that the cab is completely stripped, I need to sand what's left over of some glue, and then I'm gonna be able to put some plastic wood or bondo. And let's do it. Turns out there's a lot more glue residue than I thought. Even though I spent a lot of time and I made a super duper goo brain out of the glue, there is still a lot, and that's why I was constantly wiping the glue residue in order for it to not stuck under the sandpaper. That way I will, because I hate changing sanding paper. I hate that. So by removing the little speckle as often as possible, it prevents it to clog it. But I just wipe my hands like that, and I keep on making little balls of glue residue. So there's a lot more left than I thought. Oh, that's painful. No, that's not painful. That's just a little bit tedious, because I want, well, actually I don't have to remove absolutely 100% of all the glue residue, but I want the surface to be as smooth as possible before I put the sticker on. It's better if I look at the camera. You know, my phone is all black, but the camera lens is there. Sometimes I look there, it's not the right spot. There, here neither, that's there. Sorry about that. Okay, so also wanted to show you what's going on here underneath. I'm sanding the whole border and the panel here, because it's removing a lot of the different stain that gather on through the years, and when it will be sanded I will put a nice wood oil to protect it and give it a nice finish. So enough with time lapse for now. You must be tired of hearing the same song all the time. So I'm gonna sand it and remove all the glue residue and come back to you when it's done. Finally satisfied by the cleaning of all the sides. Cabinet looks amazing. Yes, sometimes I always wonder how a pinball machine will look like it kept this wooden finish, but only some different tint of varnish, you know, like oak or tech colors with some design. Something that is well done, not a cheap home way of doing it, but you know, professionally. And look at that, this is all the glue that I pick up. And now I can make a toupee for Goo Brain. Oh, look at that, look at the toupee. Okay, maybe it's remembering of someone. Yeah, okay. Time for some plastic wood. Yep. The sanding of the bottom of the machine is done, and look at that. That's about the only job of plastic wood I had to do. There once was a lock bar put over the corn door, and there was some job already done to mask it, but I'm just applying a wee bit more plastic wood, and look at that, that's it. This cabinet is in awesome condition. I just can't believe it, because you can't really know it until you remove the side decals to see was there some kind of dent made during a transport of some sort. But look at that, the edges are perfect and the sides are perfect. There is absolutely no crease or dent or wow. Because what I meant, I don't know if I have the good term, but I just want to show you my hang-on here. The hang-on has a lot of, you know, the kind of thing that happen usually on the cab. Well, this one has none. So it's gonna be a pleasure to apply new side decals on that. But that's for another day. Yeah, that's it for vlog number 7. Yep. On the next vlog, I will prep the inside of the cab, sand it, paint it, and if everything goes as planned and well, I'll also start working not on Goo Brain but on cleaning the lock mechanism. The corn door, I'm so glad there's almost no work at all to do on it, just some kind of maybe painting here, but that's it. The corn door is in great shape. That's awesome. So yeah, if you like it, like. If you want to share, share. But most of all, subscribe and click that little bell just right to it. Like this, you will have a notification as soon as a new vlog come out. Click that bell. See you soon.